Mark a start line and divide your bust circumference by 12, and the number that you get, you put there and draw a line. And then from your shoulder to the elbow, you mark, and from your shoulder to the wrist. And then your armhole circumference divide by 2, and your elbow circumference divide by 2, and your wrist circumference divide by 2. Then you connect the lines. You draw the line in between and find the midpoint. So using my ruler, from the midpoint curve, and then from the midpoint curve downwards, connect all the markings. Go up 7 inches and connect to the midpoint. I should have folded the paper, but I will transfer these markings to another paper. And then in the midpoint, make a line in the cap and slash. You can open as you wish. 1 inch, 2 inch is all up to you. So add your allowance and cut. Then gather onto the cap. I'm using needle and thread. You can use any gathering that you prefer. Maybe you can use the sewing machine. Then what we're going to do is to attach the sleeve to the top part of the dress. So I'm just using pins to demonstrate how you should do it. And then as you're sewing, you have to make sure that everything is being gathered neatly. Remember, I'm using a sandwich mesh fabric, so it's a little bit thick. You can also use scuba feathers, and then it will give you this nice puffy look. So after attaching the sleeve, you're going to close the top part of the dress, or the top that you're making, and then you close with the sleeve. So this is how it looks. I will upload a tutorial for the dress, watch my next video. Thank you for watching.